please give a very warm 54 Below welcome to Kiera Allen.
Our little secret stayed between